Have you ever invested money and simply asked yourself, did I make money or not? If the answer is yes, that's essentially what absolute return is all about. Absolute return is one of the simplest concepts in investing. It refers to the total return you make on an investment over a specific period, without comparing it to anything else. It doesn't matter what the market did or what other investors earned. All that matters is whether you gained or lost money and by how much. In plain terms, absolute return answers one question: what did I actually make? Let's break that down with a simple example. Imagine you invest £1,000 into a fund. After 1 year, your investment grows to £1,100. That means you've made £100, which is a 10% return. That 10% is your absolute return. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Absolute return doesn't care about benchmarks. In investing, a benchmark might be something like a stock index, such as the FTSE 100. Many investors compare their performance to these benchmarks to see if they're doing well. But with absolute return, there is no comparison. Even if the market went up 20% and you only made 10%, your absolute return is still 10%. You made money. That's the focus. On the flip side, if the market crashed by 15% and you only lost 2%, your absolute return is still negative 2%. You lost money even though you performed better than the market. This is what separates absolute return from something called relative return, which measures performance compared to a benchmark.
Now, there are actually investment strategies built entirely around this idea. They're called absolute return strategies. The goal of these strategies is simple: generate positive returns regardless of market conditions. For example, some hedge funds aim to make money whether the market is going up, down, or sideways. They might use techniques like short selling, derivatives, or diversification to achieve this. The focus is not on beating the market, it's on making consistent gains. But here's an important point: just because something is called an absolute return strategy doesn't guarantee profits. Markets are unpredictable, and there's always risk involved. These strategies aim for positive returns, but they don't promise them. A common misunderstanding is thinking that absolute return means safe or guaranteed. That's not true at all. It simply means the return is measured independently, not that it's risk free. So, what's the key takeaway? Absolute return is the total gain or loss on an investment, measured without comparing it to any benchmark. It focuses purely on whether you made money or not, nothing else. And once you understand that, you'll start to see the difference between simply making money and outperforming the market.